schedule. My dad out here going to Lake Elsinore to go check out a Nissan 240SX. Hopefully it's cool. Hopefully it is what it's supposed to be. Haven't had one in a long time. Been wanting another 240, so hopefully this works out and we're able to take it home.
Hopefully it has a radio too.
It doesn't. It doesn't.
So cool.
What is life? But hopefully we'll get there in a while. I think it says another 30 minutes to go. Hopefully we get there soon.
Oh yeah. And come on, ice cream.
Alright guys, so we just came out here to Lake Elsinore, checking out this Nissan 240SX. This scares the living shit out of me. And it's not bolted. It's got a lot of things that are wrong with it. It's super gutted. It smells like fuel. The entire time it smells like fuel. Got the Gucci power kit. It's like falling apart. Like, I don't know. It says it has that, but idle's a little high. But it's got a roll cage and shit. So, I don't know. See if it drives fine. But alright guys, so we're in the car with my boy. So we're just taking me for a test drive, seeing how the car is and stuff. So hopefully, I don't know, the run's okay, I guess. Not the best, but
Get this right here. Hit this turn. Honestly, bro, I trust.
I'm not gonna rip it or anything.
Yeah. I mean,
No.
it's just like if a freak accident happens and
Yeah.
this thing blows up, it's like, oh damn, like it's blame. Obviously, it wouldn't be your fault, but you know.
we're gonna go for a drive. Nissan 240. See how it is.
I like this angle too. I've never RV car. It was the filter. The filter.
It's gonna leak oil. It's leaking oil. It's leaking
It's a long
fuel.
way back.
It's leaking fuel right now.
It's a long way back.
You guys can see, but it was just puking fuel. It's leaking oil. Ugh, power steering is making a bunch of noise.
He already drove it. He drove it. See what happens.
Power steering was making
Oh,
noise.
yeah.
It's just, it's got like
Turbo spooling and everything, but
barely boost. It's, I don't know. It's got a lot of issues. Disappointing, but it's a little disappointing, but it is what it is. Just leaking oil, it's leaking fuel. Over an hour drive home. I don't know if it's gonna be worth it before this thing catches on fire. Oh boy. So I guess it's not gonna happen, guys, because it's just leaking fuel, it's leaking oil, it doesn't boost. It's not gonna happen, guys. I'm gonna let the guy know right now. Oh well. Sorry. Damn, dude, look at this. We out here. I don't know where we're at, but we're in Ontario.
biggest cheeseburger in the world, supposedly.
Supposedly. Oh, let's see what you guys can see it. Look at this cheeseburger. That is a big cheeseburger. That's a big burrito.
Apparently, like if you finish the entire burrito, you can get it for free.
Really?
Look at this. Yeah. This is like for my dad, dude. Look, my dad loves America. What? Dude, America for days. Alright, use the restroom before we start heading back. It's super cold.